Machine learning is important for all the industries, not just oil and gas industry. Oil and gas industry relies a lot on characterizing subsurface. We cannot see the subsurface. We have just some observations, some measurements of the subsurface. Using those measurements, we want to understand the subsurface better. If we understand the subsurface better, then we can do more economical and environmentally friendly development of the reservoir. So, machine learning helps you understand the subsurface better. A few examples are when you do cluster analysis to figure out what are suitable completion zones along the length of the well. That's one example of where machine learning can be used. Other examples would be to generate permeability predictions in the subsurface. It's very difficult to measure permeability in the subsurface, but from different logs you can figure out what the permeability is in the subsurface along the length of the well. That can be done very easily with machine learning. Other examples of machine learning in oil and gas would be when you drill, you produce a lot of mechanical, vibrational data. Taking all that data, can you figure out what are the properties of your subsurface? If you can figure out the properties of the subsurface, then you can do a better and a quick development of your reservoir. In summary, we have a lot of data in oil and gas industry in a lot of different disciplines: drilling, reservoir, production, geosciences, petrophysics. If we include all these data together, feed it to a machine learning algorithm, then we can generate better data-driven models that can be used to solve characterization as well as engineering problems in oil and gas. By doing that, you can reduce the risk, increase the productivity, improve the efficiency of engineering, and avoid any environmentally hazardous activity during your reservoir development process. So there's a lot of benefit in using machine learning. I'll be teaching a 2-day course on machine learning for subsurface characterization and engineering. This is a 2-day course and it will be pretty hands-on. We'll be working with Python, we'll be working with TensorFlow, we'll be working on Jupyter platform. So this is a pretty hands-on environment. We'll go through different modules. I'll show how these modules work. We'll analyze a lot of different data. Some of the data applications will be classifying reservoirs into different groups. Other applications might be in the domain of image analysis, how to extract features and then make some meaningful predictions out of those features. Other application would be if you have missing data, how to handle it. If you want to create a log or if you want to synthesize a measurement which you don't have, how to do that. So these are some of the applications we'll look at in a very hands-on way in the 2-day course. There won't be a lot of presentations. It will be very interactive, where we'll be running through the modules, processing the data, generating results, and then looking at the method that helped you generate the results using that data. So we'll focus on applications throughout the 2 days of course.